If you've ever had a slow or clogged drain, I'm sure you've used one of these products like Liquid Plumber or something before to try to fix it. But have you ever used a shop vac? Neither have I. But we're going to try it out today to see if it works. Now I'm sure you could use any old shop vac that you have lying around the house to try this out. But I'm going to use this Shark MessMaster today. My wife and kids got this for me to vacuum out my car, but I haven't had a chance to use it yet for that purpose. So I'm going to give it a shot with this. It's a wet dry vac that has a storage container that's washable in the dishwasher. You don't have to swap out the filter to go from wet to dry, dry to wet or whatever. And would you look at that, it even has a picture of a clogged drain on the box. So I'll test this out. We'll see how this works. I'll put a link in the description to this in case you're interested. It's not a sponsored video or anything, but we'll see how it goes. Now the first thing I'm gonna have to do is take this little stopper plug out, but in most sinks, these are secured underneath the sink there. So we're gonna have to go underneath there and I'll show you how to take that off. So under your sink, you'll have a P-trap, and then just north of this, you should see this little rod that comes out of the back of the pipe. And that's what holds that stopper in. Let me tell you about how much I hate filming stuff under the sink, but to take this off, you just usually squeeze these things together and that little rod will come free. And then right over here, you should have a little twist valve here. Once that's free, you might want to have something to catch that. I didn't, I should have. But that comes out and now your stopper is free. So with that removed, the stopper is going to be disgusting. So we'll take this off to the side. I'll soak that in some soapy water, get that all cleaned up before we put it back. As I'm sitting here filming this, I noticed that my mirror is a little dirty. So bonus tip for you, if you want a streak-free clean on your mirrors, glass, windows, try hydrogen peroxide. Simple, you get it from the drugstore, works great for a streak-free clean. Just put a little on a rag or paper towel. And then dry it off. Beautiful, streak-free shine. All right, so back to our main project here. If you have an overflow, some of them have a cover like this on here that just pops off. Some of them will be over here with a couple of little holes or whatever. You got to cover that up just to create a seal. I'm going to use a little blue painter's tape. Simple. And then I'm also going to cover up where we took that stopper rod out of here. It's all sealed. Now I don't know if this is going to work or not, but I do know how a P-trap works, and that thing's normally filled with water, and that prevents the methane gas from your sewer system from backing up into your house. So as soon as you suck this out, you're going to get some pretty nasty smells until you refill that water back into the P-trap. So just be prepared for that. Now I was not wrong about the odor, that stunk. Let's open up this Shark vacuum here, just see what we captured. It's a pretty neat little system here. It's got this little bin, and as you can see, boy, we got some pretty nasty junk out of that drain. It was probably causing it to slow down quite a bit. So I'll just end up dumping that out and we'll clean this thing up. So I cleaned up the stopper plug, so we'll reverse the process here. We'll stick this back down in. I'll remove the tape. And we'll just reverse the process here. Put this back together. Get that in there. make sure that's tight so we don't have any leaks. But not too tight, you don't want to break it, it's plastic. And the moment of truth. Well, I'd say that works. So if you're not looking to introduce those chemicals into your house and you need to clean out your drain, try a shop vac. If I was doing it again, I think while I had the stopper out, I would probably take a brush and really do a thorough job of cleaning the whole drain. But in a pinch, man, that was easy and it worked.